Hi guys, welcome back to 4DDig. How to install Windows 11 without USB. Yes, you heard it right. We can easily complete the system installation without relying on a USB drive. Whether you are losing your USB device or just trying a new installation method, the following methods can help you. So, without further ado, let's get started. Method 1. Install Windows on new SSD by using ISO. We're going to open up our browser and going to download a fresh ISO from Microsoft's website. Just go ahead and select the ISO to download here. After downloading, right-click on your drive, select Shrink Volume. And once this is done, you can see here, enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. We're going to put 15,000 in here. It'll be good enough for what we need. Once we've done this, we can click on Shrink, and now that should give us some unallocated space. We can now right-click on this and go New Simple Volume. Once this opens up, we can now click Next and we can just go Next again. And we can change the drive letters to something like Z, and we'll do that right here. And what we're going to do is click Next one more time. In here, give it a name, something that you recognize. Once we've done that, click Next and click Finish. Now find the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Right-click the ISO and choose Mount. Put all the files and folders within the drive. Next, restart your computer into Advanced Startup. You will see the Advanced Startup option screen. Click on the Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Options, then select Command Prompt. Type disk part and press Enter. The disk part utility is used for managing disks and partitions type list volume. This will list all the partitions on your computer. Locate the partition where you copy the Windows 11 installation files. Exit the diskpart utility. Now I just need to run the Windows 11 setup.exe file. Press Enter. Click on the Install Now button and begin the Windows 11 installation process. And now we can see all of our drive partitions. Be careful which ones you delete here. You don't want to be deleting Drive 0 partition, Free Clean Install. This is the drive that we're using to install Windows. Click Next. That's it. You are having your Windows 11 system. Method 2. Use 4DDig Partition Manager. We just finished learning complex methods. Let's talk about a simple one. 4DDig Partition Manager is a reliable Windows partition management tool. It can not only help you migrate Windows OS to SSD without reinstalling system, but also help you clone your entire disk or partition to upgrade disk. Moreover, it can help you resize, extend, split, create, or delete partitions. Connect your new SSD to your computer. Launch 4DDig Partition Manager on your computer. Go to Migrate OS. Click Start. Select the SSD as target disk. Press Start button. This will erase all data in the disk. Then you will get a copy of your computer. You can keep it as a backup, or install the SSD in your computer. After installing the SSD, enter BIOS, and boot from the SSD. Here you go. It's pretty easy. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.